Mr. Gene Velasquez.
Wow.
Alam
Ang
niyo
tagal
ba-
ko nang hindi kinanta yun, parang 1,000,000 years.
Oo, ate. Actually, ate, parang first time natin kinanta ng
First
live.
time natin kinanta in its original key na parang feeling ko
Sorry na.
na sumakit yung ulo ko. Nahilo ako ng
Thank
very,
you.
very
Alam mo,
light.
ate, sa sobrang tagal na kitang kilala,
Oo.
hanggang ngayon, pag nakikita kita, nasa starstruck pa din ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Tapos,
Alam niyo, matagal ko nang kilala si Naneng. Ba't ba nga Nani?
Nani.
Nani, oo Nani.
Kasi-
Bakit ka ba Nani?
Talagang taga Bulacan si Ate Reg, no? May punto kasi yung pagkakasabi niya ng Nani.
Nani. I've known you for such a long time. And si Kyla po kasi kilala ko na matagal na yung bago pa siya mag-boyfriend. Hindi nga, bago pa siya mag-boyfriend, pag kami nanliligaw sa kanya, magtatanong siya, bakit ganun, Ate Reg? Pag may nanliligaw sa... Yung ganun siya, Ate Reg, may nanliligaw sa akin, pero bakit ganun? Tapos ichichismis niya sa akin.
Oo, alam niya lahat.
Alam ko lahat. Tapos finally, nung may nangligaw sa kanya, ganito Ate Reg, na ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ipapakilala niya sa amin lahat, mga friends niya. Magdi-dinner kami. Tapos nang finally, nagka-boyfriend na siya, pinakilala na naman niya sa grupo. Tapos nung naging si Rich na, pinakilala na naman niya sa buong... Basta lagi niyang pinapakilala sa amin, parang kailangan niya ipa-approve sa amin. Nakakatawa. Nung first time namin nakilala si Rich, lahat kami parang... Tapos yung asawa ko hanggang bewang lang.
Grabe ka naman. Grabe ka naman, ate.
Hindi nga.
Hindi, grabe ka naman. Siguro naman gabalikat.
Hindi Kyla.
mas
Hindi Kyla. Sa totoo lang, aminin na natin hanggang bewang lang niya.
Grabe naman.
Oo, yung napapagod akong kausapin.
Nag-stiff neck nga ako, ate, after ng wedding.
Oo.
Alam mo, guys, ninang pala si Ate Reg
Ninang,
sa wedding.
ninang
namin
kasi nga
siya sa
in-approve
kasal.
muna namin si... Oo.
Kasi na Ate Reg, sila lahat ng... Alam niya talaga. Kasi
Alam ko.
nakwento ko talaga. Tapos,
Kinuwento niya, tapos Ate Reg, naglaba ako ng brief. Ang laki. Tapos nagko-complain siya, Ate Reg, naglaba ako ng brief, ganito kalaki.
kasi
Laki
di ba
daw
yung
ng
ano,
brief.
underwear natin maliit lang.
Ang liit lang. Eh, ba't
Speaking-
ka kasi nag-asawa? Ano ba, 6'4" ba yung
Oo,
asawa
ano,
mo?
6'4".
6'4", sabi ko, talagang malaki brief na. So, kinikwento niya lahat sa amin, natawang-tawa ako kasi yung wala siyang inhibitions. Kasi alam niya na, well, ngayon nakarating na sa inyo, tayo. Kaya Oo. No, but that's what I like about her. She really treated us as friend, like as her family. And ever since then, she has never changed. And I just want you to know that I can be proud of you as an artist because you have come a long way. But more than that, I am proud of you as a human being.
Oh, thank you, ate.
Yes, because madali namang maging proud sa'yo bilang artists because obviously you're one of the best singers I've known.
Thank you, ate. Coming from the best of the best.
Because you are. Alam mo ba, pag kami mga bagong singers, pinag-uusapan namin kayo.
Totoo ba, ate? Oh, no.
Yung mga lumang singers, we always talk about you guys. Parang, uy, may bago na dinig mo ba? Because we always want to know how far you guys will go. Because as yung mga datihan na, gusto namin malaman kung hanggang saan yung mararating ninyo. But we also are fans. We are. Because ang galing. But at the same time, gusto namin malaman kasi kung lalaki ang ulo. Yung ganun kasi
May
kami.
maulo ko, ate.
Hindi.
Ay, thank you so
Hindi.
much.
So gusto namin malaman kasi yung parang, will they go far? Or hanggang dito lang kasi lumaki yung ulo. So, a lot of times, pinag-chismisan namin kayo. Ang sama namin, ano?
Hindi, ate. Parang normal naman
Ang
yun.
salbahe namin, ito ang galing, kaya lang medyo mas malaki pa yung ulo sa galing. Yung gano'n. So yung gano'n. But I want to say that you are one of those artists that didn't forget kung ano yung pinanggalingan niya. And more than that, I am proud of you as a wife, as a mother, as a friend, as a Christian. You have gone through a lot. You did, you have. And you've never given up. I know that there are times pag nakikita ko yung mata mo na parang, ano ba tong ginagawa ko? Pero hindi ko nakikita na nawawalan ka ng hope. Maybe sometimes you just wanna give up, but alam ko hindi ka nawawalan ng hope. And so I'm proud of you. So that's the one thing that you never, dapat hindi ka nawawalan hope. Because once you lose hope, then mahirap mawalan ng hope. Okay? Never, ever, ever lose hope, sweetheart. I love you. Congratulations, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate Reg. I just want to say thank you again kasi simula nang nag-umpisa ako.
May pinagdaanan ba ako?
Wala kasi si Kuya Ogie, nasa ibang bansa. Namimiss mo na si
Ano
Kuya.
nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Thank you, Ate. Thank you so much. Thank you for your generosity, your kindness.
Malaki bayad ko dito.
Ate, parang di ko afford.
Hindi mabayaran ako dito, Cynthia.
Thank you, Ate. You've been so supportive. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa ibang mga artists. And that's also one of the reasons why I look up to you so much. Dahil bukod sa Regine Velasquez na siya, hindi niya, yung support niya for new artists, hindi nawawala. She's always there. She's always there. She's so generous with her talent, her time, and yung love niya for artists like me, like us. Thank you, Ate, for your time, and I love you so much.
I love you. This is the only thing I can do to support you guys. Kasi hindi mo lang pwede mamigay ng pera. Kasi kailangan ko din yun eh. So, but I'm thinking kasi when I was starting, a lot of artists also supported me. So this is my giving back. And I know that you also do that for other artists.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you,
Thank you,
Kyla.
Ate.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Queen of R&B, Kyla.
Our songbird is Regine Velasquez.